We've been around since 1844 and we've always been a very community-focused club. Crowdfunder seemed to be the obvious way to go about it. That added in with the fact that Sport Wales gave us the support through it. They helped us get set up. It helps us, it gives us confidence to fundraise again in the future. It was a really straightforward process for us. The setup with Crowdfunder was great. The website made everything really easy. The tools on the site all worked for us. And then all the way through, every step of it, we had support from the Sport Wales team. It's something as well the community really got behind, and it just made fundraising feel quite easy, but it really felt like a big team effort as well.
Past players who've moved away from Denbigh, some of them have moved abroad. We've got people who watch from Dubai. We've got some of our previous overseas players who live in Australia, South Africa. They've been able to keep track of how Denbigh are performing once they've moved away, and it's been really good for them to be able to keep up with how the club's doing.
So for me, from a technical point of view, I really like watching my bowling spell back. From an analysis point of view, for the longest time we had a manual scoreboard that would be falling apart and we couldn't really see what was going on. So, you know, to follow the game while on the pitch and, you know, to have that investment is really special. It just kind of adds that extra layer of, you know, professionalism.
Anyone who's thinking about it, they should definitely go for it. As soon as we put the crowdfunding page up, the donations just started coming in. We had people who hadn't been involved with the club for a long time, and with the support we had from Cricket Wales to begin with in telling us about the crowdfunder, they were fantastic in telling us how to promote it, the best way to get people involved. If anyone's thinking about it, definitely go for it.